This year has been challenging for everyone. The majority of people lost their lives, and the world has gone into this senseless, retarded, stupid fighting. I really hope that one day things can change for the better, because we cannot continue like this. We cannot continue this type of shit. Anyways, this is a recap, final thoughts, and even an update about the channel and things that, you know, what can to be expected. So if this is the first video, wait, hold up, we dodging shit, hold up, wait. So if you are new to this channel and this is the first video that you're seeing, please stop watching this video. Go watch something else on this channel, then come back to this one, all right? Earlier this year, before quarantine, I traveled to Bimini, and it was a nice getaway. It was a complete relaxation, different from the norm. Around May 2020, this is where I started to learn Japanese, with hopes that I can make new friends. Let's face it, that's what life's all about, right? Having the opportunity to see exactly what the fuck I'm talking about, with the hopes of making new friends and seeing and having the opportunity to open new doors. I started posting consistently on social media, particularly on TikTok. Around January 2020, I hit my first 1,000, and at the time of this recording, I just passed 60K. And I just gotta say thank you for everyone that followed me on TikTok, because without you guys, I wouldn't have even grown that big. Even if you want to consider that big, it's big to me. I've never hit that type of number before in my life. And on top of that, I cannot forget YouTube. The week I was in Bimini, I just gathered my first 100 subscribers. Now, at the time of this recording and this video, I just passed 600. That's friggin' amazing. And again, I couldn't do it without you guys. You guys friggin' rock. And I love the fact that you guys like and you comment and you share your thoughts, and like, you know, you drop your 2 cents. I really appreciate that, because it's like, damn son, y'all really enjoy this type of videos, and it makes me want to produce more for you guys to entertain. Did you see that? I'm not in the fucking sun anymore, so we can actually set shit down here and be right now. I got my notes in my hand, so this way I won't forget exactly what it is that I'm talking about, and I can stay on topic instead of rambling on like an ass. Speaking of YouTube, did a few of the ASMR videos, and I really enjoy making them. It was so relaxing. It was so therapeutic for me, and some of you had some very interesting thoughts. I invested in some new equipment to make better content for you guys, and I cannot wait to start using them. I'm just gonna kick shit down, and I'm gonna make it tingly. I want to start experimenting on different topics of interest. I want to create content of learning Japanese and becoming fluent. You'll be definitely seeing more ASMR content. Live streams, I friggin' flopped on live streams, and it's for a valid reason. Number one, I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet, so if you can help me grow to 1,000 subscribers, I would really appreciate that. Then not only that, but how can you forget the dapper son Johann? You will definitely see more of him than me on some of these videos. And I really hope that you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys, you know, fuck with it, because, you know, I fuck with it, and you know. And as I'm watching my back to see if there's any ferocious dogs coming my way because they're barking like an ass, I want to create videos that can make people escape their realities for like a set time. Currently, the world we live in sucks ass. There's too many dumb shit that's happening. It's toxic and it's friggin' annoying. This new mission for the channel will be the prevention from letting any of that fuckery happen. Say Nation, I friggin' love you guys. You guys are strong warriors. You guys are strong as fuck. You guys are elite. And I can't have it any other way. 2020 was rough. 2020 was tough. But if you made it through the end of this video, I just want you to know that it would take more than 2020 to take you down, period. My voice just cracked like I was going through puberty. Do not give up. Stay focused, and I will see you all in 2021. Tayuga mabushi.